Then go on to do a few mini projects that would illustrate those concepts in the fields of finance and accounting. Hey guys, welcome to another episode. So in today's video, I want to share a recent experience that I had in publishing a free course on Udemy. A few months back, I published my first course on Udemy that I've been talking about quite a lot in previous years, how I wanted to do it and stuff like that. It's an advanced Excel course for budget modeling, but I wanted to do something more simple, something that's going to be for free and more introductory. So I came up with the title Introduction to Excel for Finance and Accounting during my brainstorming stage that I'm going to talk to you in just a second. By the way, if you're enjoying the videos, give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and maybe even punch the bell icon to receive notifications every time I upload a new video. So I decided to start this project for a new short course, and courses that are free on Udemy can only be about 2 hours tops. So I was thinking doing something about hour and a half. I just want to share my process with you on how I managed to do that in as less as 15 hours. Okay, so 2 weeks ago, I started with my brainstorming session. And as you can see, this is just a single sheet of paper that has all my ideas on it. First, it was called Introduction to Excel for Business Analysis, but after that, I changed that. The idea was to present simple Excel functions and shortcuts and some basic things, and then go on to do a few mini projects that would illustrate those concepts in the fields of finance and accounting. My second sheet of paper that I have is my time plan, my time budget of what I have to do. And when I was doing my other course, I noticed that more than about 60% of the time was not spent on developing materials and recording the core content of the course, but editing, correcting mistakes, preparing additional videos, introductory videos, uploading all the things to Udemy. So I planned ample time for that, and pretty much I've planned 5 hours to develop the files and record all videos, and the other 15 hours are just writing the copy for the landing page, doing my promo video, my intro and outro, doing some visual effects if necessary, and preparing everything for upload. Here's my third and final sheet with how much time I spent doing everything. So where I really managed to reduce the time was editing, because I've taken a few good points from my initial course that I'm going to mention to you in just a second. So let's go ahead and just walk over the steps that I used to do that, and you'll see that it's not so hard to do. It's really easy if you have an idea to really quickly develop a short course and put it out there and start helping people to learn new things. Let's go ahead. The first thing I had to do was prepare the files, the source data for the course. So started using mokaru.com to build some of the data and using some random functions in Excel to build the rest. And I started with the sales analysis file, where I had to build sales for various customers for 2020, and then went on and built the analytics file that we're going to use. The bank reconciliations was a funny thing to do because it involved pretty much creating a fake bank statement, and I went full on ahead and set the name Your Fake Bank, and even added a QR code that would go to yourfakebank.com. To now, I had about 1.5 hours spent developing the files, and then I started doing the fixed asset register. And it was really hard because I wanted to make it look really realistic as a fixed asset register. So I had to do a lot of complex calculations, and I'm pretty sure it could have been done in an easier way, but just how I ended up doing it. So this took me about an hour, and with my 1 hour of brainstorming, I was already sitting at 3.5 hours when I finished developing this file. So I was a bit over budget. The fourth mini project, the trade receivables aging, actually I managed to do this one really quickly because I already had all the client's data from the sales analytics file. So it only took me about half an hour. I wanted to take a break from Excel then, so I put on a shirt and a green screen and recorded videos for my intro and outro. I decided to do the same video for intro and promo video to save some time. I also managed for the first time actually to properly set up green screen keying within Premiere Pro and not have to go back and forth to After Effects, which saved me a ton of time. And I also animated the logo and added some overlaying information, and the whole thing took me about a bit over an hour. Editing all the videos took about 3.5 hours, and to be honest, I think that while editing my previous course, I've gotten a really good process for that, so I would just like go over it once and just edit out all the and all those noises, and then slap the intro in the beginning, and that's pretty much it. And here's me editing. So far I have 1 hour of brainstorming, 3 hours to prepare the files, about 3 hours to record, 1 hour to do the promo and outro, and about 4 hours of editing. So 3 hours editing the videos and 1 hour creating the intro clip with the Magnimetrics logo. So in total at this point I was about 12 hours in. Whenever I work on a project that would have multiple videos at the end, I always prefer to do like one full mass export of everything at the end, even if I've already exported some of the videos. And this took about an hour, in which time I worked on the course images and the copy for the landing page. The last thing to do was to upload all the videos on Udemy and attach all the relevant resources and prepare the landing page right before submitting it for a review, which usually takes about a couple of days. This whole thing took about an hour and a half, bringing my total time from the idea to publishing the course at about 14.5 hours, which is pretty great, I gotta say. Okay, I'm editing now, and just wanted to quickly let you know that in the past 3.5 days, I've gotten almost 800 people to subscribe for this free course, which is amazing. So, yep, maybe check the link below and take a look for yourself. Okay, guys, that was my process to quickly develop a short course for Udemy or for any other platform. You can publish those even on YouTube, which is what I plan to do with this free course as well. Really hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. If you have some questions, leave them in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and maybe even punch that bell icon to receive notifications every time I upload a new video. Till then, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Hi, and welcome to Introduction to Excel for Finance and Accounting. Are you excited to start? Then enroll in the course and I'll see you in class.